How to search filters on Instagram. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Instagram application and get logged into your Instagram account. Now let's go ahead and tap on your story or just tap on the plus icon in order to add a post or story. As you do so, it will open up your gallery section. From here, tap onto camera. As you open up your camera, these are all the filters that you can use, but continue swiping left. And just like so, you will see this browse effects option. Tap onto it. And here you can either use trending or appearance filters. Choose the filter that you would like. And once you're satisfied, give it a click. Then just like so, save your photo. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.